Good morning students. In previous video we have discussed about different types of yoga asana that beneficial for concentration like Sukhasana, Padmasana, Garudasana and other asanas. Today we are going to discuss a new topic, Shuddhi Kriya. Shuddhi Kriyas. Shuddhi Kriyas. As we all know, human body is just like machine. For any machine, we need for proper smooth conduction, we need proper inner and outer cleanness. Just like for human being. If we want our body can work in a smooth manner, then we can definitely clean our inner and outer organ cleanness. We have always focused on these things. Normally we are focused on our external cleaning, but internal organs cleaning is also very important. Internal organ cleaning is also very important. Shuddhi Kriyas are the Kriyas that help for internal cleanness. Shuddhi Kriyas are helpful for internal cleanness. It is also known as Shatkarm. Shatkarm Kriyas. Why it is known as Shatkarm Kriyas? Because Shat, the word that comes from Sanskrit, Shat means 6 and Kriyas means the things that we can perform. So Shatkarm Kriyas means a group of 6 Kriyas. These Kriyas are Neti, Dhoti, Nori, Natak, Basti and the famous one that you all are know, Kapal Bhati. These are 6 Kriyas. Again, Neti, Dhoti, Noli, Natak, Basti and Kapalvati. These are 6 Kriyas. Now we can explain each Kriyas one by one in a very brief manner. It is not in your explanation is not in your syllabus, but Neti. Neti is a kind of cleaning of our nasal cavity. Nasal cavity, or we can say Neti Kriya is helpful for cleaning our nasal system or nose. It is divided into 2 parts, Jalneti and Sutraneti. Jalneti and Sutraneti. How we can perform Neti Kriyas for cleaning nasal passage? Nasal passage means that portion that begins from our nostrils. Then in Jalneti, a person taking a pot, tube shaped pot with having a lukewarm water and poured into one nostril, and it comes out from another nostril by removing waste material that accumulated in our nose or nasal passage. Just like in Sutraneti, we are taking a small rubber tube, cylindrical in shape, and we are sucking from one nostril and keep it out from another nostril It is known as Sutra Kriya. Sutra Kriya. Next we are move on to Nali. Nali Kriya is the Kriya that help to clean small intestine. Small intestine. In Nali Kriya we can rotate our abdominal portion, navel of abdominal portion by left side as well as right side. It is known as Nali. After that, if we talk about Dhoti, in such kind of Kriya we are taking a cloth, a cotton cloth 5 meter long and 10 centimeter wide. 5 meter long and 10 centimeter wide, and swallow it by your food pipe and keep it on your abdomen region. And after that you can perform Nali. When we are performing Nali, that cloth that we can swallow, it moves from your food pipe and move towards your abdomen region or stomach. And after there, it can be moved here and there, and then we can keep it out from that cloth from your mouth. It cleans the wastage like cough and other impurities from your digestive part. Remove from your digestive. Move on to next. Basti. Basti, somewhere it is right over here like Basti. Basti is a cleaning process of large intestine. It clean the rectum position. Rectum position, in a simpler way we are saying that it help for excrete waste product like stool from our body. It is helpful large intestine to clean the waste product. It is also known as enema. Enema. It is known as enema. Helpful for perform better in large intestine part. Next is Trata. Trata is a continuous gauging. Gauging means continuous किसी चीज को देखना. Trata is helpful for improving eyesight. It very helpful for improving eyesight. जिन लोगों की बच्चों की नज़र कमजोर हो जाती है, बड़ों की नज़र कमजोर होती है, तो त्राटा इट इज अ continuous gauging on a particular point. By continuous gauging, the aqueous that stored in our eyes and lens should be contract, and lens should be contract and it keep the eyesight better. So in short, we are saying that Trata is very helpful for improving our eyesight. Last but not least, After Karnataka is Kapalbhati, very known Kapalbhati. Kapal means skull and Bhati means shine. So Kapalbhati is used for shining of your skull. Shining of skull, it is a kind of forceful inhalation. During Kapalbhati, we are performing forceful inhalation that very helpful for our respiratory system. And nowadays, as we all are suffering from the pandemic coronavirus, so performing Kapalbhati Kriya is very helpful for improving respiratory system. Very improving respiratory system, that helpful for strong respiratory system. So these are 6 Shuddhi Kriyas or Shatkarm Kriyas that helpful for cleanness of our internal organ system. So that's all for in this video. Thank you, students.